Today we want to explore the best money-making websites. There are very few of us who feel like we make enough money. Earning more can help you pay off debt, get on track for retirement, or you simply diversify your income sources. There are tons of apps and websites where you can start earning part-time money. The ways you can earn extra money are pretty varied, anything from online shopping, filling out surveys and playing games, delivering groceries, even losing weight. If you want to earn money in your spare time, you can find something to fit your schedule and interests. But with so many options, whom do you trust? Let's look at several trusted websites that we've vetted for you. Have a spare room or garage. Rent it out to your neighbors on neighbor.com. As a neighbor host, you will make money by storing things for others using the space you already have. It can be a small closet or a whole garage. You decide how the tenant will access the space too, so they won't necessarily need a key. You'll just be responsible for listing your space, filtering responses in the app, and scheduling the move-in. The folks at neighbor.com are supposed to handle all the legal and procedural details. If you own a truck from 2002 or newer, you can lend it out on Fluid Truck to borrowers who will pay for the privilege. With average earnings of $10,000 per year for a pickup truck and up to $20,040 per year for a 20-foot or larger box truck, this can be a great passive income stream for any truck owner. Fluid Market offers insurance protection to truck owners and vets borrowers before allowing them to access your vehicle. If you own a car you don't use often, you can earn extra money by renting it out through Turo. This site matches car owners with borrowers, and you can earn up to $600 per month by letting travelers drive your car. Your car must have fewer than 130,000 miles, unless you're lending a specialty or classic car, and meet insurance and maintenance requirements. Turo has a traveler screening process and offers special insurance to help protect you. You can drop your car off at the airport or meet a driver at a pre-selected location for additional security. Whether you have a spare room or a spare home, you can be earning money by renting it out to travelers on Airbnb. You can list your space for free and set your own rental fees, although the site can also help you determine the right price. Your monthly potential could be up to $1,000 or more, depending on how often you host travelers and your location. Getting people and things from point A to point B is a big business, and you can get a piece of it. While Uber and Lyft are the most well-known ways of earning money by driving your vehicle. With Uber, you can earn cash for driving people to their desired destinations. Customers simply download the app to request a ride. You will then receive an alert on your phone when someone requests a ride. If you would prefer to drive alone, you can try Uber Eats. Instead of picking people up, you deliver food directly to the customer's doors. Wages can vary depending on the time of day, location, and frequency of travel. Similar to Uber, Lyft is a rideshare app. Many drivers who work with Uber work with Lyft as well. This gives drivers the ability to increase their rides and profit. Each app has a different market share depending on what city you reside in. You may want to explore both options to maximize the cash you earn. Wages vary depending on location, time, and frequency of rides. DoorDash is the Uber of food delivery service. Dashers provide restaurant delivery for eateries that don't have their own drivers. You must be over 18, have a smartphone to access the app, and have your own transportation to sign up. Depending on how hard you hustle, you can make as much as $15–25 per hour or more as a dasher. This same-day membership-based grocery delivery service is an excellent way for anyone who enjoys grocery shopping to make up to $22 per hour in extra cash. Shipped employees, known as shoppers, set the service area in their city and sign up for delivery windows when they are available to run. The app offers orders to one shopper at a time for a 60-second window per shopper. If you don't claim an offered order, it moves on to the next available shopper. You earn $5 plus 7.5% of the order total, plus any tips offered. This grocery delivery service is available in thousands of U.S. cities. When you sign up to be an Instacart shopper, you'll decide whether to be an in-store or full-service shopper. In-store shoppers only put orders together, while full-service shoppers also deliver the orders. Full-service shoppers are independent contractors, while in-store shoppers are part-time employees. Glassdoor data reports rates of $7-20 per hour for full-service shoppers. Kango is an Uber for Kids app that is based in San Francisco. When parents need to get their kids from school to a swim lesson and can't drive themselves, they can schedule a ride with Kango. For obvious reasons, Kango drivers must pass a comprehensive pre-screening process, including a background check, fingerprinting, DMV check, vehicle inspection, 2 references, an in-person interview, and complete in-person training. If you decide to drive with Kango, you can earn up to $35 per hour. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video guys, this is Rachel signing out.